Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare Real Debrid and TorBox. Let's start with Real Debrid. Real Debrid is a subscription-based service that works as an unrestricted downloader. It gives you access to premium links from different file hosters, allowing faster download speeds and higher quality streaming. Many people use Real Debrid with media players like Kodi or Streamio to reduce buffering and get access to high-quality links. Real Debrid itself is not an app but a service that integrates with other platforms. Now let's talk about TorBox. TorBox is a cloud torrenting and download service that lets you store, download, or stream files from the cloud. It supports torrents, file hosters, from Usenet, giving you flexible options for how you access your media. TorBox allows you to stream or download your files directly from your browser or through supported apps like Streamio. One of its advantages is privacy, since downloads happen in the cloud, which means your internet provider cannot see what you are downloading. If your main goal is to improve streaming quality and reduce buffering, Real Debrid is a great option. But if you often download large files, use torrents, or prefer having a cloud-based media library accessible from multiple devices, TorBox is more suitable. Thanks for watching.